and people are not turning up. So one student told me it's a mistake. So I was taking electronics department's class. So I forgot that it's a combined section. Okay, so what was the first class?
Parts of physics of
Physics.
two.
Physics.
It was physics, sir.
Physics. Physics.
आज का first class physics था. Okay. So today we are going to do foreign words. I'll ask individually and I'll give meaning also the foreign words, and you have to frame a sentence using the foreign word. Clear?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Okay. In exam, what happened? We give the foreign words. We do not ask the source of the foreign words. For example, biology is a German word. We don't ask you. What we will do, we will give you list of foreign words and you have to write complete sentences using those foreign words. Got my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because
Yes, sir.
number of loan words is I mean huge. That's why we don't ask you to memorize all those things. Rather, we will give you the foreign words and we'll ask you write a meaningful sentence with those words. So first one will go to Shivanshu Singh, roll number 94.
Yes, sir.
Yes, boy. Your foreign word is this. I'll post it in chat box. Alma mater. Alma mater meaning a school or college which one has attended last. Clear?
Yes,
Give me a sentence with this. Shivanshu, can you do it?
I used to copy down my friend's work in Alma Mater.
I wish. Okay, Ayush.
I I used to copy my friend's work in Alma Mater.
Can you use the chat box? I think the meaning is not clear. Write it in chat box, please.
Okay, sir.
I used to copy down my friend's work in alma mater. No, not really. Not really. It's not a good sentence. I used to copy down my friend's work in alma mater. It's not a good sentence. I'll ask someone else. Uh, I'll go to Shatanshu, roll number 94.
Hello, good morning, sir.
Good morning, boy. Can you give me a sentence with the word?
Sir, I just joined the class 10
Okay,
seconds ago.
fine. So I'll ask Shruti, madam, 96. Shruti Kashyap, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Can you give me a sentence, meaningful sentence with the word alma mater?
Sir, I have to type or I have to say.
Better you type.
Okay, sir.
Wait a second. Before COVID scenario, I alma mater. No, Srishti. Wait a second. I have asked. Okay. Is it right? Before COVID scenario, I alma mater. Yes, Tripti Rao, you are correct. Wait a second. Srishti Singh, before COVID scenario, I alma mater effect. After that, no, Srishti Singh sentence construction is error. I'll come back to you with the proper sentence. Shruti Kashyap, my aunt was a teacher at my alma mater. My aunt was a teacher at my alma mater. Rather, I'll go for this one. This one is written by Tripti Rao. He donated 2 lakhs to his alma mater. I'll go for this sentence. Everyone has some precious memories attached to their alma mater. Usage of alma mater is like this. So it is, Shreya Pandey is correct. She was hired to teach at her alma mater. This is also correct. Subrat, my mother wanted me to go to her alma mater, but I chose another school instead. Fine, it's correct. No, please stop. I'll correct this lady. Shruti, okay. Srishti. Before COVID scenario, I alma mater, there is a problem here in the construction of the sentence. Before COVID scenario, what do you want to say, Srishti?
Yes, sir.
What do you want to convey? The meaning is not clear. What do you want to say?
So alma mater means school or college attended last time.
But
Is it that meaning?
but the meaning is not emerging from your sentence. Before COVID scenario, I alma mater. After that, I am still at home. No, this is wrong.
Okay, sir.
Meaning is not emerging. What do you want to say? हिंदी में बोलो.
सर मैं कहना चाह रही थी कि कोविड सिनेरियो के पहले मैं लास्ट टाइम स्कूल गई थी, उसके बाद से अभी तक मैं घर में ही हूँ, ऐसे कहना चाह रही थी.
No, in that case, this will not be used. Alma mater has
Okay, sir.
there are certain memory, donation, and those kind of things are associated with alma mater. So
Yes,
this
sir.
kind of sentence that you have written is not really going with the trend.
Yes, sir.
So before COVID scenario, I used to attend my school, but after that, I am still at home. This is kind of thing.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
here
sir.
alma mater will not be used.
Okay, sir.
Clear? Any question about the usage? My last alma mater was Delhi Public School. Right. Any other question about this particular meaning or usage, alma mater? Any question? Please make sure it's all about usage. It's all about usage. For example, I'm giving you a word called memo. Memo, if you look at the dictionary, memo can be of 2 types. One is a congratulatory memo, another is a disciplinary memo. But with the pace of time, the congratulatory memo has taken a backseat, and memo means a disciplinary action nowadays. So the moment you get to know that this person got a memo, means a disciplinary action was initiated against him. But actual meaning was both positive and negative, both. But we have taken the negative word in memo, positive word has taken a backseat. So when you are using words, take care of these also. Am I clear?
Sir,
Yes, boy.
sir,
Shantanu.
is this the word memorandum or the
Yes, boy.
word is new?
It's the boy. It's the word memorandum.
Okay, got.
Usually, memorandum is not spelled out as a memorandum. It's rather clipped to memo. Clear? Okay. Sachin started teaching at his alma mater. Spelling गलत है भाई. Sumran. Spelling गलत है. Full stop कहाँ है sentence में? Sumran. Are you there? Roll number 93. Sumran Kumar.
Sir, yes, sir.
Alma mater spelling गलत है भाई.
Alma
MATER.
mater. MMATER. Yes, sir.
MATER. ठीक है. आज रोल नंबर दिख रहा है आपका. That's good.
It's correct, sir. Yesterday you told.
Yes. So next one is I'll ask individually. I'll ask individually. Don't jump to answer. The meaning of the word bona fide is genuine, and I will ask Sushmita. Sushmita,
Yes, sir.
madam, give me a sentence.
So, what does it mean by bona fide? I don't know.
It's a meaning genuine.
Genuine. Okay, sir. Should I?
Use chat
Right.
box, please.
Okay, sir.
Tenjin, what happened, boy?
Sir, uh, can I answer it, sir?
I'll come to you, boy. Not now. You are writing, Sushmita? Okay. For memo, the police constable started reporting on time after receiving memo from. Ha, fine. Shashank is fine, but my word is not memo now. The word I have given to Sushmita, it's bona fide. They have a bona fide for the loss. What does it mean? They have a bona fide for the loss. Bona fide means what here?
Um, s- sorry. Bona fide means real and genuine.
Yash Gupta, you are correct. Yeah, bona fide means real or genuine, but in most of the cases, it's for a candidate or a person. Though the actual meaning of bona fide is genuine or original, but it is used only in the case of a person. Please remember, like when you are applying for a passport, you need a bona fide certificate from the college. Got my point?
Sir,
Yes. So,
so can we use it like bona fidely as genuinely?
not really. Wait a second, please. I got a call. Hello. Advertisement, Vedantu. Okay, someone was asking me a question. To get,
Yes, sir. I was
yes,
asking,
Shubhodaya, bolo.
sir, I was asking that can we use bona fide like genuinely as bona fidely?
Bona
Means
fidely
can we add
usually
a
not.
ly in that?
My love for enemy is bona fide. No, actually, as I have said earlier, it's used for a person. Bona fide customer or say bona fide candidate, bona fide student. It is used for a person. And please, this is all about practice. That's why I ask you guys to read. Otherwise, actual meaning of bona fide, I'll show you. Oxford meaning of bona fide, what is saying. Just give me 1 minute, I'll show the dictionary. uh, my screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The dictionary is visible to you.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
What does it say? Bona fide.
Genuine, real.
Genuine, real.
Genuine, real, without intention to deceive. This is the actual meaning. This is the actual meaning. But if you use it in this way, this is going to get wrong. So bona fide is usually used for a customer, for a candidate, for a student, like that. Got my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Any
sir.
doubt? This is all about usage. This has no rule. This is only about usage. How the words are being used. Any question? Okay, next is uh, next one will be answered by Tenjin.
Yes, sir.
Wait a second, let me type. This is means deadlock. Meaning is deadlock. Means the condition is very critical to open. Deadlock. Give me a sentence, Tenjin.
I will write it, sir.
Yes, you're right. You are writing, Tenjin. Are you okay? My friend is in my friend is in impasse situation. There was no impasse situation. You need to explain the situation as well. There was impasse in every during lockdown. That's great. Complete the
Yes, sir.
sentence. Yachna Chaudhary. There is no such impasse. Complete the sentence. No such impasse of what or for what? Got my point? Like we have reached the impasse point. Okay, that's good. Negotiation seems to have reached an impasse. This is great. Surat Pandey. The government had reached an impasse regarding what? You need to explain. The sentences some of you are writing is not clear. The sentence has to be self-sufficient. Like the meanings are not emerging in certain cases. The country is not developing cause of impasse between the country is not developing because of, not cause of. Basudev Mishra. Viral Tiwari, the hijackers have created an impasse situation in where? Complete the sentence. The hijackers have created an impasse situation. Where or when? Complete the sentence. Tenjin, what is your answer, boy?
Yes, sir. My friend is at impulse situation, sir.
No, complete the sentence. Why in impasse situation? Why?
Oh, okay, sir.
We should stop arguing because the situation has reached an impasse. It is not wrong, but not good. There was an impasse, boy. Shashank, I is vowel, na? We reached an impasse over the ongoing debate. Okay. So next one, I will go to wait a second. This one will go to I'll name the boy. Madam Srishti Soni. Roll number 1 or 2.
Yes, sir.
Tenjin, impasse situation cannot be due to a headache, boy. Revise your
Okay, sir.
sentence. Revise the sentence. Srishti Soni, please answer. Seeing Rakesh's hard work, it is an impasse for him to reach. Hard work. Sujal, the sentence is not correct, man. Seeing Rakesh's situation, wait a second. He quoted his speech verbatim. That's great. Seeing Rakesh's hard work, it is an impasse for him. No, boy, the meaning is not emerging. Sujal, seeing Rakesh's hard work, it's an impasse for him to reach the top. Why? Sentence is not meaningful, boy. Sujal,
Okay, sir.
what do you want to say? Tell me in Hindi.
Well, Rakesh is not working hard enough to reach the top, is what I want to
Right,
say.
but impasse has nothing to do in this sentence. Got my point?
Okay, sir.
Impasse is a deadlock. So here the deadlock is not coming, na? The team is in impasse situation because of lack of coordination between the players. That's good. That's good. Utkarsh.
So can you repeat again what verbatim means?
Verbatim means line by line. Line by line, like Srishti has written good sentence. Verbatimly, like when a politician is narrating something and the person who is taking his note will write verbatim. Most of the matter is completely.
Sir, like literally.
Literally and word by word, there are some almost same but not the same. Literally means something different than word by word. Literally means you are giving your interpretation as well, but word by word means whatever the person is said, you have recorded like that. Conversation was copied verbatim. That's great. Traffic jam is getting impasse. Traffic jam is, wait a second. Traffic jam कहाँ गया? ट्रफ most of the matter. अरे ट्रैफिक जैम कहाँ गया? Foreign trip of Prime Minister is being planned despite the partial government shutdown and the budget impasse with the ministry. That's great, Biraj. He copied the answer verbatim. Complete your work as verbatim. Then is he read the word verbatim. Traffic jam is getting impasse due to कहाँ गया? Traffic, most of the matter, complete your talk as well. The traffic jam is getting impasse due to an accident on the national. Okay, that's great. Okay, my mother's recipe was verbatim from the chefs. That's great. So next one, I'll go for this one will be answered by
Sir,
bolo Sujal.
sir, arranging the students in verbatim way at the playground.
Not really. Verbatim means you are recording something line by line, word by word. This is not going to work in your sentence.
Okay, sir.
Subudha will answer this one. Subudha, Tejesh, you are there?
Yes, sir.
This sentence, status quo, is a foreign word meaning existing condition. Existing condition. Subudha, Tejesh will answer. Status quo meaning existing condition. I don't think I'll read the whole thing verbatim to you. Yes, Shashank, correct. Subudha, Tejesh, give me a sentence, boy. Are you writing, Tejesh? I think Tejesh is not here. Okay.
Sir,
Okay, wait a second. Wait a second. Now, till now, India has managed to maintain the status quo with China. Okay. Shantanu is okay. The government asked the status quo report on their project. Okay. Next is subjects who are instructed recall the passage verbatim. So opening colleges. कहाँ गया? Where is that? Opening colleges. Wait a second.
open colleges at status quo is highly impossible.
Let me read the sentence. I'm not actually, so many people have used the chat box. Can you paste it once again, Shubudha? You are in status quo. S will be in small because you are in status quo because of your past doing. How? There is no meaning to change the current status quo. His economical status quo, opening colleges at status quo, no, is highly impossible. No, no, no. Status quo means maintaining same thing, like the status quo with China remains the same. Status quo means the condition. Status quo actual meaning. कोमल जी क्लास के बाद फोन कर रहा हूँ. Status quo means existing condition. Meaning is not emerging. Subudha, Tejesh, I am at a status quo. In Array, so many people, please wait. Let me read it. Status quo of COVID. Status quo is pathetic because of money laundering. He status quo. What does it mean? Sentence galat hai. Going with the status quo, conducting offline. Right, it's correct. He was dissatisfied with the one after another. You guys are writing. Allow me some time. I'm not a Superman. His status quo is pathetic because of money laundering. COVID has really okay. COVID has really affected the status quo of the country. Status quo is not going with this sentence, Viral. Status quo of Indian politics is worse. Fine. So I'll go for another word. Um Okay, this will be answered by Sajal, 91.
Yes, sir.
Watch the chat box. I have given the thing.
Can you tell me the exact meaning?
This is Viva Voce. Viva Voce means the oral examination. Can you give me a sentence?
Exciting.
Okay. So I'll go to Vibhuti Chandrakar, roll number 47. Okay, Vibhuti. The Viva Voce was difficult. Good. And next was wait a second. Sin versus 14. Okay, fine. So that's all. I'll send you the list of foreign words in your email. List of foreign words I'll share in your email. But unfortunately, there is no guarantee from Sarkar's side that the question will come from there, because the list of foreign words are innumerable. I'll give you only tip of that. So please, hopefully, we'll give you only the foreign words which are commonly used, but it ultimately depends on the paper setter what he is giving. So that's it. If you have any question, you can ask me. It is better. Okay, yesterday was my Viva Voce. Full stop, full stop. Srishti, Viva Voce, full stop लगेगा. Any
Yes,
question?
sir.
So during the exam, they'll provide us the meaning of the foreign words.
No, that's the thing. They will not give you the meaning of the foreign word. If the meaning is given, then the answer, what will you do?
So they're expecting us to remember. There are so many foreign words like
No, no,
how.
no. Only common. Na? If you look at your syllabus, it is written common. Foreign words and phrases used in correspondence in English. Only few words are used in correspondence, not much.
So do we get the list of it before?
I'll send you the list today itself, but there is no guarantee from my part the question will come from there. I cannot ensure that, because ultimately it depends on the person who is framing the question.
So it will be like impossible if you don't know the meaning of.
I understand, but थोड़ा try करके देख सकते हो आपका luck.
Sir,
हाँ बोलो. Who is it?
so what,
Chatranchu, बोलो.
so what is the difference between Viva Voce and interview? Is it the duration or
No, 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 no. There is a difference. Viva Voce is a part of examination. For example, when you defend your PhD thesis, that time it will not be interview. It will be Viva Voce. It's a usage, like smile and laughter. दोनों में you are I mean you are taking you are having fun in both the cases, but the degree varies. Got my point?
yes, sir, got it.
Battle and war. The degree
Yes,
varies.
sir.
Similarly, interview is different, Viva is different, or act is almost same in both the cases, but the meanings are different.
Okay, sir.
Does the word thesis mean exactly as a study on a particular topic? Yes, Basudev Misra. Yes, you are correct. Thesis, when you are writing a thesis, it should be concentrated on a particular topic. Any other question? Any other question? So I'll close today's class. We'll see you next week. क्लास में कोई प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है आप लोगों का? Any problem in understanding my lecture?
No, sir. It's
No, sir.
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
no, sir.
fine. It's absolutely fine.
अगर if you are not able to follow me, please let me know.
You're basically the best teacher. we.
Really?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
The
Yes,
most
sir.
enjoyable.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So among all
Yes,
the
sir.
teacher, you are
Yes, sir.
teaching in a finest way.
Is it? Thank you very much, Srishti.
I
But
actually
normally,
Happy
follow
Christmas,
the
sir.
classes, sir.
Sir, most
Happy
classes
Christmas,
are
sir.
boring.
Class we understand well.
You entertain us.
A lot too.
really,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
thank
Sir,
you.
the most
Yes, sir.
enjoyable class is yours.
Yes,
So
sir.
this is the
We
only
got
class in which
excited
we
in
are
first class.
connected to whole time.
Sir, rest
So,
classes are
yes,
We
boring.
don't even
are
understand
you
what's
getting
going
any
on.
sort of, what will I say, improvement? Will you get something for your beneficial?
Yes, sir,
Yes,
definitely.
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Definitely.
sir.
Definitely our
Learning
English will
from
be
you.
improved.
See, basically, taking communication class for 45 minutes is not going to make much difference. I know, but if you get something from my class and if you practice, then it's will of great help. But if you forget the class after 45 minutes, it's no use. So this English communication class is only successful if you practice. Otherwise, you will end up giving gali to me. So please practice, else it's not going to be beneficial. If you do not practice, only listen to my lecture and all these things, it's not going to make much difference. Trust me, if you practice, sky is the limit. But if you do not practice, maybe NIT Raipur is the limit. Please practice karo.
Okay, sir.
And we have
Yes.
tried to make this syllabus a realistic one. Unlike the last one we had novel कोई नहीं पढ़ता है और particularly engineer तो कोई नहीं पढ़ता है. Last class I told you ना engineers क्या पढ़ते हैं?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
घंटा.
हाँ, तो इंजीनियर नहीं पढ़ते इसीलिए नोबेल को हटा दिया हमने.
घंटा को 10 घंटा में कैसे कन्वर्ट करेंगे सर इंजीनियर को पढ़ने के लिए?
इंजीनियर ये कभी सुधरते नहीं. मुझे पता नहीं इंजीनियर कब सुधरेंगे.
सर इंजीनियरिंग करने से पहले 10 घंटे क्या मतलब 20 घंटे भी पढ़ते हैं बट
इंजीनियरिंग में मौका मिलता है. You know, there is an institute called HRI. नाम सुने हो?
What sir?
नाम सुने? इस्लामाबाद से कोई है क्या?
Which one, sir?
No.
HRI.
SRI.
नाम सुने हो किसी ने?
No, sir.
No sir.
No, sir.
Anyone from इलाहाबाद? कोई नहीं है. उत्तर प्रदेश से?
Yes, sir.
यूपी से
इलाहाबाद
है
में
सर.
इंस्टीट्यूट है हरीशचंद्र राय रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट.
Yes, sir.
नाम सुने हैं इसका? हरीशचंद्र राय रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट.
Yes, sir. Sir.
This is one of the unique institute India is having. And if you are interested for PhD, they will send you the question paper in your home.
So what's the point? मतलब?
Mm-hmm.
So what's the point even?
The idea is getting into any technical college. Like I know the structure of IIT, I know the structure of VIT and NIT. I'm a part of it. Once you are into these technical colleges, it is director's responsibility to see you through. Like you know, in IIT Kharagpur also I have seen people giving supply, super supply में भी fail हुआ तो grandfather supply में भी fail हुआ तो grandmother supply पे supply चलता है. But you know, these institute HRI and say ISI, these institute basically are अपनी मतलब अगर मैथमेटिक्स में मान लो तुम फेल हो गए हो तो पास कराने के लिए और एक इंतजाम किया जाएगा आपको. समझ गए हो बेटा? सप्लीमेंट्री.
ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस लेके डूब जाता है सर. मेनी स्टूडेंट थॉट दैट आई एम इन आईआईटी या इन आईटी, सो ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस होने के कारण दिक्कत में हो जाता है.
कॉन्फिडेंस सही है लेकिन ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस बहुत डेडली है.
That's the reason and that's why studying is not so well.
नो ये इंजीनियर्स के खून में ही होता है. कोई ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस की बात नहीं पढ़ाई नहीं होती.
Yes, yes.
लड़कियां फिर भी पढ़ लेती है ना, लड़कों को प्रॉब्लम होता है.
हमें तो
इंजीनियर
कॉन्फिडेंस हमें तो
पढ़ेगा ना
अपनी
तो
सच्चाई
इंजीनियर
भी
बहुत
पता
दूर
होती है
जाएगा.
फिर भी हम नहीं पढ़ते.
ISI is not comparable to IITs. Shivanshu, not at all. In ISI, first time if you fail, second time they will give you chance. But if you fail in the second time, they'll kick you out. But in IITs, I have never seen people are going out without degree. That's why
NITs
ISI till now maintaining its brand, but IITs are, I mean, it's good, but not comparable with ISI.
Yes, sir. My coaching teacher told us a story that his friend got all India rank 33 in IIT, got into IIT Bombay, then it took 7 years to complete his BTech.
That's what I'm saying. Na? once you are into IIT ना, it's a director का responsibility बनता है आपको पास कराना.
सर बट आफ्टर दैट उसके बाद उसने गेट में अच्छा रैंक लाया, देन आईएएस भी क्रैक किया था.
वही तो बोल रहा हूँ ना भाई.
वो रियलाइज हो गया कि हम क्या किए, मतलब उसके बाद वो आईएएस में AIR 8 लाया था.
हाँ वही उनका जागरण हो गया है. It's a
तो
kind of
इंजीनियर कुछ भी कर सकता है जब वो अपने आप को परख लिया तो.
वही बोल रहा हूँ, but engineering में
Engineers can do anything except engineering.
see, let me tell you one thing, with your engineering degree